Hi, Internet! These are a few examples of filters I came up with using OpenCV and Dlib to detect faces and facial landmarks. I'm going to explain all of these in a blog post somehow and put these all on my GitHub for your own review. So, for starters, a simple blur effect that blurs out any and all faces. Or the opposite, blur everything but your face. Or how about turning into some kind of magical being with glowing eyes? This is essentially taking the shape around the eyes. With Dlib, we can pass different data sets to represent facial landmarks. And here I'm just filling in white in between the eyes and blurring it out at the edges to get a little bit of a glow effect. And it's really bright in here. I might have to squint a little bit. And you can see that it's pretty convincingly accurate. It may not be perfect, but it's pretty well centered on the eyes. A little sillier, this is my basic attempt at an anime effect using affine transformation. Oh my god, that's disgusting.